Morning. How's everyone doing? Morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. Okay, let's see what's going on. Ooh, Nvidia is right at 140, 141, 140. I want to see Nvidia holding there. That would be a good entry. If Nvidia can hold there, that's previous all-time high, we could have a very good entry to play the upside continuation. Let's see if that happens. Morning. Buenos días. Okay, so we have a little, well, kind of big gap down, especially on SPY. Not so much on the Q. The market's been very choppy lately. It's been on a range again for, I don't know, 5 days? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost 10 days, 9 days, pretty much 2 weeks. It's been on a big range for 2 weeks. Anything you guys are watching for today? My watch list for today is Nvidia, Microsoft, Meta, Microsoft 428. If you can really hold 428, that could be a good entry also for the upside continuation. It's holding 428. That's yesterday's close level. Do we have any data today? Lulu? I don't like how Lulu move. Oh, Celsius is getting near my entry. And 188 on Amazon. It's also looking interesting. $10 a.m. Okay. Awesome. Thank you, guys. Thank you. You woke up late today, Sarkis? What's late for you? What's waking up late for you? Morning. Okay, so we have Nvidia holding the level that I want to see holding, which is 140, 141, previous all-time high. We have Microsoft holding 428, which is another level that I like to play the upside. I'm watching Meta also, yesterday high. Right now it's rejecting it. I will say 584 is a clean level if we want to play Meta to the upside. When it comes to a SPY in the queue, I don't know. The queue is in the middle of nowhere for me. It's inside. It's in the middle of the big range. SPY is near this 580.50 level. Pretty much near yesterday's low. So I guess I'm gonna wait and see how it's gonna react here. 4 in the morning? That's too early for me. My mom also wakes up at 4 in the morning to work out. I can't do that. That's too early for me. I'm a night owl. Amazon looking pretty weak, losing 188. I do like this Nvidia hold a lot. Same thing with Microsoft. Made a perfect reaction of yesterday high. Let's see how our Nvidia contracts right now. I'm getting the 142 Nvidia contract for this week. Yeah, my stop loss is gonna be 140. Morning. Okay, guys, watch how this 188 hold on Amazon is also looking pretty good. Oh yeah, I like that NVIDIA play. I like it a lot. In fact, that was I wanted to play that yesterday, but yesterday we didn't got the pullback that I was looking for to previous all-time high. But this is perfect. Let's see if SPY can break the Vivo up. I would like to see SPY going a little bit lower, just a little bit to 580.50. That would be perfect for me. No, NVIDIA, no. The first one's gonna be yesterday high. Like, how do you find your PTs? Your PTs are the resistance. What's your next resistance? Yesterday high. Those are your PTs. Yeah, I want to see SPY going a little bit lower, just a little bit. Same thing with the Q. $2,300 on NQ will be a perfect level to enter. And for ES, 5,864, 5,865. Yeah, around there. Ooh, look at Meta. Anyone got that Meta rejection? That was perfect. Perfect. That was so clean. So clean. I'm just putting orders to add more NVIDIA if it goes to 140.50. Apple holding very good. Also looking like it wants to boom. Oh yeah, me too. I hope we don't have another rangy day. Oh, SPY and the Q both are moving inside a huge range. So basically we need to be, if we see a SPY or the Q at the stream support or resistance, we can play that. But I will not trust like any big move. I will just go with quick scalps. Yes, holding support. If we can go a little bit lower to 5 to 864, that will be perfect also for entries. Yeah, 66, 64. Microsoft, beautiful 428 hold. Watching SPY here. So what I'm thinking is either if we go down to this level here that I have here and it looks like we want to hold, I'm getting in, or if we break the VWAP and it holds there. Can I set it up like my other live videos? All my live videos are exactly the same like this. I only did like 4 that where I only showed trade of 8 and the chart, but I've been doing these live for a year and a half, and pretty much 99% of the video had the same layout, same thing. I showed always the same thing. You have SPY and the Q, my SPY and the Q chart, and my trade of 8 orders. Nvidia's looking weak. I want to see holding it. I want to see Nvidia holding 140. I got Microsoft 430 weekly. My stop loss is gonna be under 426. Meta is still looking pretty weak. Let's see if I can have this pullback here to 580.50 on SPY. It's already 10 a.m. and we don't have much action here on the market other than Nvidia dying. Come on, SPY, go a little bit lower. Go a little bit lower. Oh, thank you, Rob. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Remember to like the video. Thank you. Ooh, 140 Nvidia. Let's see if it's gonna hold it or not. Looking pretty bearish. Yeah, it's not looking like it wants to hold 140, but we'll see. So this is what I'm watching on Nvidia. So I want to see the holding this little level here, this low here, and this high here. Okay, but no, it's not gonna do it. I got out. That's a big move. That's a big bearish move. Okay, I'm going long here on ES. I like this support. I'm gonna give it a little bit room to go to a little bit lower to 580.50 here on SPY. It's a little bit risky what I'm doing because so far I have no confirmation that it's really gonna hold out, but I like that level. I want to try it out. Yeah, I got out of Nvidia. Basically, I'm gonna give it room till yesterday's low here on SPY, which is this little line here. So my idea is for SPY to hold here, and then we could play the upside till the gap fill, if it can hold here. If not, the next level is gonna be 580, between 580 and 579.50. Okay, I got out. That's a big move. That's a huge move. Why we got such a big move here? $591 for the Q is the next big support here on the Q. Sorry, 491. Okay, I like that reaction. We're holding there. I'm gonna wait a little bit and see if it's really gonna hold. The thing is that, like, I don't like this huge Nvidia move to the downside. I like how Microsoft is holding. It's still holding 428. Ooh, I like that reaction. I like that reaction. I like that reaction on SPY and the Q. I'm gonna wait here to see. So what I'm thinking is waiting for a few consolidation candles holding this level. If just booms and move faster to the upside, I'm gonna wait for a clear hold of the VWAP. But I do like this hold here. Also on ES, yeah, it looks very good here on ES. Pretty much the same thing in SPY and ES. Yeah, if you were quick and you enter on this flash sale, you had a good entry, and yeah, your stop loss should be this low here. Microsoft and Apple holding very, very good. So I guess this move was only Nvidia. Well, I know we had data that it wasn't good, but yeah. There is a flash sale right now. They just posted on Tradeify for this trade for the funded accounts. It's 50% off for the first, I think, 100 people that use it. So go fast if you want any Tradeify accounts right now. Tradeify, I use it to buy straight to funded accounts. Yep. So if you want to try it out, this is your opportunity. Patiently waiting here. Microsoft going. What indicator? That's the VWAP and the 9 EMA. But I don't really use the 9 EMA. Only the VWAP. Supply and demand, that is not an indicator. Those are my levels, support and resistance. If you want to have my levels, go to my Discord. I post there every single morning from Monday till Thursday. I post my levels and my watch list. So you have my levels there. You have it there. Okay. Still no real indication that you really want to hold this level. I like this 5-minute candle, but I don't like this rejection candle. But I would love to see some consolidation here. Hello, morning PT. Why is SPY so weak? I don't see Apple or Microsoft or Nvidia or Meta going lower. Let's see what it is. Is it financials or health that are super weak? I'm waiting to see if SPY can hold here. Or the Q 491, 491.50, either or. Okay, so the next level here is 579 0.65, 0.70. And then we have 579. Despite fighting yesterday's low. Okay, I like that reaction there. Still, it's not looking like it wants to hold. It's rejecting yesterday's low, which is bearish. Look at this huge range here, guys. That's where SPY's been moving the past 2 weeks. Very choppy. Very, very choppy. Banks are weak? Okay. Thank you, Brit. JP Morgan. Okay. Nvidia looking like a bear flag, rejecting 140. Meta also looking like a bear flag, rejecting the VWAP. Apple and Microsoft still holding. Okay, I like that reaction there on SPY. I missed my entry. Okay, so I like this move here. SPY is definitely fighting yesterday's low and is trying to hold. So let's see if we can have a little pullback here again. If not, I have to wait for the break of the VWAP. Damn, look at that move. Okay, so we're rejecting the VWAP here. So my next trade is gonna be either a break of the VWAP on the Q, or a break of the VWAP on SPY, or a pullback and consolidation here. So I have 3 options to play ES and NQ. I need a little bit more coffee, so I'll be back in like 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. Ooh, look at the Q. I like that move on the Q. Okay, I'm going long here with the Q, with my cross. Let's see if this one works. My stop loss is gonna be a strong rejection of the VWAP. I like how Nvidia is holding the VWAP. I want to see a SPY breaking the VWAP also. If we have a strong move to the upside, we could see this SPY gap getting filled. Yeah, we had the Q perfect bounce out of the range here, the support here on this huge range. Let's see if we can have also the gap fill above. If I can get back to 0 break even, I'll be happy. And I'm gonna log some profits here near 494 because I can see how in the morning was a rejection point. Microsoft looking amazing. Apple also looking pretty good. It's flagging, holding support. Okay, Nvidia holding the VWAP. Let's see if it can hold 141. That was a weird move on Nvidia. Why moving so aggressively to the downside only to bounce and go back above previous all-time high? Okay, I like that hold. I think this could be another good entry for Nvidia with a stop loss under today's low. Yeah, I got the same contract, 142 weekly. Okay. Yeah, I like how both as PandaQ are both holding the VWAP, which is pretty bullish. Yeah, we got fake out at the beginning, but I think right now is a very valid trade. I think as long as both SPY and the Q are holding the bottom of the range is bullish. So for the Q will be today's low and even until 491, and for SPY today's low pretty much. I want to see Nvidia holding 141. It will be perfect if we can have this gap fill on both the SPY and the Q. SPY definitely looking stronger than the Q right now. Ooh, I like that. I like that. By the way, I'm trading with APEX right now, with APEX funded accounts. They have 80% off, and you can pass and get back into funded accounts in 1 day. Who's trading with APEX here? Which one of you is trading with APEX? New Tradify. I love Tradify. I love how easy it is to just buy funded accounts, and how is the dashboard that you can see how many days you've been trading. Tradify, you need 10 days to trade, 5 days with $100 gain, and then the percentage, the 20% rule, right? And you can see everything there, that it's very easy to understand. APEX is a little bit more complicated, but do you guys read the new rules or watch the videos for the new rules? I think I like the new rules. I see a lot of people complaining about it, but I do like it because it makes us being more strict with our trades. So basically, they're making rules for us to not blow up fast our accounts. Yeah, I do think the new rules are better too. They're just making everything possible for us to maintain our account for a longer time instead of just YOLOing and going full port on each trade. It definitely helped me to be mindful of my position, of my stop loss, of being like waiting for better entries. "10 minutes or nothing." That's how I pass the evals. I just wait for good entries and I go full port on evals. I either blow them up or pass them in one trade. Okay, I'm gonna start locking some profits here. And we want to see the Q breaking this high. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I do like that weekend DCA also, because when I'm trading, I'm gonna go back to my roots, to the beginning, how I started to trade futures. I started trading futures only with micros, and I will enter, basically if I'm going long, I'm entering on the way down and taking profits on the way up, right? So the DCA rule got me denied a few payments because I DCA all the time, but it's not like I'm adding to my huge losers. I'm just adding on the way to my support or resistance, depending what I'm trading, right? Okay, I like this move here. The Q looks like an inverse head and shoulder. We have a SPY needs to break this morning high, and same thing with the Q. We need to break this morning high. If we break this morning high, the market's gonna boom, and most likely we're gonna see this gap fill. So we need to break this high. Yeah, I know. Me too. That Nvidia fake out, I don't know why we had that Nvidia huge move to the downside. I really don't know. That was an ugly fake out. That was a huge candle. Only to bounce very strongly and close very bullish. Okay. I don't like that SPY reaction there. SPY needs to hold the VWAP. Again, why is SPY doing that? If the Q loses the VWAP, I'm getting out. That was an ugly reaction there on SPY. I'm out. Okay, another choppy day. Another choppy day. Yeah, it's been weird. It's weird. Today is weird. Yeah, but that's an intraday that's an intraday reaction zone. I was not expecting such a big move here. Are we gonna have another bounce here on SPY? No, I don't trade the earnings. No reason to trade Tesla. The Q looking pretty weak. SPY too, but it's holding yesterday's low. If Nvidia loses the VWAP, we're gonna have the Q again near 491. At this low, 491.50. Apple started to look a little bit weak. That is not gonna help this weak ass SPY. Is the SPY gonna hold here again? Apple weak. Microsoft still holding. Nvidia holding 140, the VWAP, but it's rejecting 141. Meta looks like a bear flag. The Q very weak now, rejecting the VWAP. What a weird day. What are you gonna do here, SPY? Yeah, me too. I'm looking for to see if we're really gonna hold here again or not. I like kind of this level. I don't like how Apple is weak right now. I'm gonna try here with ES. I'm looking for a quick bounce. My stop loss is gonna be this low. Come on, give me the bounce. I'm looking for a bounce to at least this high here, this candle high. I like that Nvidia reaction. I want to see Apple going back above the VWAP. Come on, give me a strong bounce there. Okay, I like that. It's looking good. Give me a little bit more. Give me a little bit more. I'm out. I'm out. That was a quick. I think if keep holding here, we can see another bounce to morning high. I just don't love how the market is moving, so quick scalp here, red here, good here. I think I'm still red on the day. Yeah, like 200 down or 300, I don't know. Yo, 127 on the 50k accounts. 127 red. But I think I'm done for this morning, guys. If I look for any trade, it's gonna be the break of morning high, like pretty much a break and retest of morning high to play the gap fill. But if we keep chopping around here, I honestly am not interested on watching this. We have this huge, I will say this big level here of support, but the market is getting choppy. It's 11 already. Let's wait. I'm gonna wait here with you guys like 30 more minutes until 11:30. How do I handle losses? Pretty much I don't know, I'm used to it. Like, losing is part of trading. Like, if you cannot hold him, let's just say if you cannot manage losing trade, you should not be able to manage winners. It's just like part of trading. It's like the pain that you feel when you're working out. It's part of trading. Also, look at my stats on TradeZilla, right? So obviously I haven't put what I lost today, but look at these numbers. Like, I started TradeZilla pretty much being super consistent with futures on August, and so far I'm 520k up, right? So my first loser day was yesterday, but look at this month. Like, it's like red days are coming, and I knew we're coming after having such a good like 3 weeks of winners nonstop, right? So besides, right now it's a very, very small red day. As long as I keep making money consistently, and as long not making money, let's rewind. As long as being trading good, like patiently waiting for good setups, I'm happy, even if I'm red on the day. How do you do that? You need to download your trade from today, but you need to be careful because sometimes I think yesterday I downloaded my trades, and then I realized that some orders were still open. So when I import everything to TradeZilla, it wasn't working, wasn't right, the number. So you need to be careful with that. Pay attention if your trades are not completely closed on the document that you download, and then you just go to import, and then I have trade over here, and then you select one account. You cannot add all your 20 accounts from Apex on one account on TradeZilla. So you need to pretty much create one account here, like 20 accounts here, and then upload everything. And then you just wait a little bit, and yeah, you have your numbers. Like, my numbers, as long as I keep seeing these going steady up, I'm happy, right? I'm 200k, over 200k for the month. So losing, I don't know, like if I lost like 160 on the 50k account, and on the 150k account it's gonna be double, so it's gonna be a little bit over 300 multiply. I don't know, let's just say I lost 4k. I don't know. So 4k is nothing compared with these green numbers, right? I could even have the entire week red and I'm still be up over 100k. So yeah, it's all about consistency. Apple looking weak again. I think Apple is gonna go to 230. I think it wants to go to 233. Yeah, I know Replicanto is one that you can copy trade a few prop firms. I need to work on that. I honestly don't know exactly which one works for that, but I need to work on that because I'm trading with Tradeify, Apex, and my funded futures. And I keep trying out new prop firms and different prop firms. So yeah, I need to copy trade. I think, yeah, I'm doing too many things at the same time, so I need that. I need a copy trader that I can trade together or all my prop firms. The thing is, like, I have Mac, and not all the copy traders works on Macs. I'll work on that when I came back from vacation. So in 2 weeks. Oh, it works good. The thing is, like, I don't have Rhythmic accounts with Apex. All my Apex accounts are Trade of 8. It's Nvidia short on the 140.50. I will say under if rejects the VWAP. But I don't know, I don't trust Nvidia. That's a big move to the downside again. So we have the market being weak today. Pretty weak. 479 is the next support that I see on SPY. Nvidia could not hold 141. The cleanest chart that I see today, it's Meta. It keeps rejecting yesterday high. Yeah, I'm gone next week. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. That's a big move. That's a biggie. 491 on the Q. Let's see what's the next support here on SPY. It's gonna be this little wick slow. But I think the main one is 577.50. 577, 577.50. Yep. Let me clean this up. So now we have these resistance here. And then let's see how these little levels gonna act also. And we have a bunch of wicks here. So yeah, pretty choppy. Very choppy. But 491 is very important on the Q. I don't know if I will like keep playing the upside bounces on SPY Q when the trend is down. We have a bearish trend today. The bigger move, look at the even if you don't know what's the trend, just look what it's making strong rejections or bounces. So far we're having the biggest move when we reject resistance. The red candles are definitely bigger than the green ones. So if we're seeing that, we want to play rejections. You caught the sell-off? Ooh, nice, nice. This rejection here, this high on SPY was very clean. Same thing with the Q. Look, both rejected morning high. Clear rejection candle there. Yeah, 233 on Apple. Needs to hold there. The Q needs to hold here. This low, 491. Nvidia is looking pretty weak. I was not expecting this move today, honestly. I'm going to Cocoa Beach. But I'll be posting videos. I don't know if I'll be able to do the live streams. And I'm gonna be working on the mentoring program. I think if the Q cannot hold this, the next big support that I see, it's around 488. Manatees. Gonna go for a quick scalp here on the Q. If you cannot hold this low, I'm getting out, and this is my last trade of the day. I'm looking for a bounce to 492, or at least near 492. Yeah, I know. I just like that level. I like that 491 level on the Q. Okay, I like that. Give me a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, I'm out and I'm green. That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted. Yep. I'm green. 150 up on the 50k accounts and 300. A little bit over 300 on the 150k accounts. I'm done. Yeah. I know. Yep. Yeah, it's a difficult day. I'm not gonna lie. Pretty difficult day. And I did more trades that I'm used to. I think I did like 4 trades today. I don't know how many, but yeah, I'm green. I don't know, because January is not really a smooth month, and the last 2 weeks of December are also very choppy. So I don't know. Remember, it doesn't matter what we think. Just, this is how I trade. The way that I think about trading is I don't know anything. I just react to whatever the market is doing, right? I don't really think about what's gonna happen. I don't really care if the market is super red or super green. I just trade whatever the market is like showing me. Like, I trade my levels. That's it. I honestly don't care if the market is green or red. Yes, choppy market is very difficult, but how we need to look at it is understanding. Okay, so this is how I see it when the market is choppy. When the market is choppy, you just gotta just watch how the market reacts to your levels and be in and out fast. You cannot hold for too long when the market is choppy. When we have trendy days, that's when you pretty much can keep moving your stop loss. What I do is mentally, I keep moving my stop loss up and locking profits on the way up or down. And yeah, just following how the market, just paying attention how the market is moving. Technically, like, looking back to this chart here on the SPY, it's not really choppy. Is that we had a bias of trading the upside. But if we really see what SPY is doing here, it's just a steady move to the downside and bouncing at supports. We're just biased because we have been playing the upside, because technically the market is bullish, right? So in my mind, in our mind, we were looking to play the upside, and I was definitely looking to play this gap, right? So in my mind, I was always thinking the market was bullish. But if we really see what's happening here, we're definitely, the market is like, we had this high reaction, right? Pretty much the VWAP reaction in the morning. And then we have a bounce out of support. And then we have morning high, again reacting. And then we have a little bounce at support, and then we broke that, so SPY broke that support, and then we have another little bounce, and then now we're having reactions. So basically we're having a steady downtrend. The Q is a little bit more tricky because it's been doing the same thing that its SPY is doing, but with in a range, right? We have support here, and then we have bounce, and then we reject today's high, and now what it's doing is kind of trying to hold support, but it's looking like it's gonna break down. And then if it breaks the support, most likely just gonna break it and then retest it and then keep going lower. So this could be another trade, a good trade to the downside. So why I was telling you guys to not play the upside, and I did, because again, we're making lower high and lower lows. Look how we're rejecting here. So I cannot tell you that it's good to play the upside, because it's not good. We're having a downtrend today. And I play this upside because I know how I trade. I was in and out fast. And for you guys, you cannot follow that. Like, you cannot follow scalps. Like, it's fast. So again, the best entry, the best plays today are playing reactions. Reaction of important levels. Like right here, right now, if we have a strong break here, we want to see it bouncing after and then rejecting this level, and that will be your perfect entry to play the downside continuation. I think that would be the trade today. Besides this high reaction and this high reaction. But waiting to see if it's really gonna break 491, the Q, and then being patient enough to wait for a little bounce here, I think that will be the trade. Yeah, basically a break and retest. Well, that is okay. So it's like the how I see supply and demand. That's the old support and resistance. I don't know why everyone on YouTube talk about supply and demand. Same thing with the break and retest. That's something that it became kind of like known on YouTube, but that is basic technical analysis. You wait for a level to show you that it's support or resistance, and that's it. And yeah, that's the famous now break and retest. But it's just how levels work. Like, levels work. Yeah, I know. There's so many complicated, like, new terms, like fair value gap, supply and demand. What's the other one? Oh, the unicorn, the total soup, or something like that. It's just support and resistance. That's it. So we want to see this reaction here. zones or levels. Zones or levels are pretty much the same. I don't see any difference between zones and levels. Support and resistance, supply and demand, levels, zones are the same, exactly the same to me. You guys want me to see taking this trade, or you guys want to do it on your own? I'm starving. I'm so hungry. Yeah, now it's tricky, right? Because we can have this, but yes, buy at this low that it could definitely bounce here. I'm eating arepa, which is a Venezuelan food, with it's called the Fat Queen arepa. So it's basically a arepa. Let me show you guys what it's a arepa. This is a arepa. Yep, all this. So we basically stuffed with anything and everything, but the Fat Queen is mashed avocado, shredded chicken, salt, pepper, a little bit of mayo, and mustard. It's so good. It's so good. It's this one. This one looks like that. I think this is the most famous arepa, the Fat Queen. I do it without mayo because I don't really eat mayo, but yeah, it's so good. But yeah, we stuff the arepas with pretty much everything. This one is with shredded meat, and we put avocado on the side. This one is our main plate. This is a oh, I forgot the name. Well, but this is black beans, shredded cheese, shredded meat, and sweet plantain. This one is so good. Ooh, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. See, we put it pretty much everything. This is shredded cheese. Shredded chicken. This is meat, and this is black beans with cheese and sweet plantains. I love to eat it with pork and avocado. Pabellon, yeah, pabellon is the one that I forgot. How you know that, Guillermo? Ooh, nice. $20 SMA bounce. I don't know. I don't use the 20 SMA. I don't use any SMA. We could have a reaction here or here because I can see this previous support maybe acting as resistance here. So we could do something like this, a little bit higher maybe. The only tricky thing about this trade is, one, we have SPY at support. Two, we have the VWAP too far from our entry if we want to play rejection here. Oh, really? You grew up in Venezuela? Nice. Am I still looking for a trade? Not on my APEX account. Maybe on my funded futures and Tradeify. But not on APEX. On APEX, I feel like I overtraded and I got it back to green. Small green day, but green is green. It's almost 12. I think I'm gonna wait for the afternoon maybe to trade something on my funded futures and Tradeify. But I'm done with APEX. I'm done with these accounts. Today was a struggle, right? Who's green? Who's green? And who's red? You're green? Green? Awesome. Definitely red? What? Why you blew up those accounts, Debbie? Blood red? I know. I think the trade today was this reaction here. This second high reaction. Second time touching this high. And the problem, like I said before, the problem to me today was I was biased on the upside. Well, it's hard to not be biased to the upside when the major trend is bullish. and we gap down. We had a gap above. We were holding here yesterday low, so I don't think it was bad to be biased to the play in the upside when we had more. We basically have more, I would say, more things telling us that we should keep playing the upside. We had Nvidia holding previous all-time high. We had Apple holding. We had Microsoft holding also. Okay, so I had a little trade, little green here with this APEX account. If she wants to. Yeah, me too. Yeah, me too. I thought this 5-minute reaction was gonna be just a pullback to yesterday's low, and that's it. But we had a huge move here. It was weird. This morning was weird, but yeah. Now we have a clear downtrend, right? I had also a very small trade here with my funded futures. I need a little bit more to go for the consistency rule, and I haven't taken any trades on TradeFi, so I think those two are gonna be my next trade in the afternoon if I have time, because I have pickable classes at 2:30. I want to know why Meta is so weak. Meta's been so weak. And I thought Meta was gonna go back to 600 again. That daily chart is ugly. But today was extremely clean. 584 rejection was very clean. Maybe Meta's pulling back for earnings. We have earnings at the end of the month. Maybe that happens sometimes. We have pullbacks before earnings. I do think Meta's gonna have good earnings, but if they talk too much about AI, people don't like that. People don't like Meta investing money on AI. I don't know why, because AI is the future. Okay, guys, I'm done for today. Awesome end of the day, end of the morning. Not gonna lie, it was difficult. I felt like I over traded today. I had like 4 trades. For me, that's over trading. 4 trades on my APEX account, that's too much. I like having like 1 or 2, max 3. I had like 4 or 5, I don't know. But yeah, they should invest in you. I'll see you guys mañana. Thank you for being here. Remember to like the video. Oh, and remember to the Tradeify discount today, 50% off for the straight to funded accounts. It's only gonna be, I think, for 250 people or 100 people, so go run and see if you can get one. I'll see you guys mañana. Bye.